Hey AutoCAD, let's start making our countertop section for stone, which is 3 centimeter stone. In this tutorial, we are only going to have stone and backsplash. There's going to be no subtop because that's 1 1/4 inch countertop thickness. You don't actually need subtop in this material. So let's start the tutorial. Okay, we'll select rectangle, start with 0, 0, and we'll go 25 inches, cover 1.25 inches. Sorry, it's negative 1.25 inches in height. And then we are going to assign it to the layer. But for backsplash, we are going to stick to 2 centimeters. So come from here, we'll go 0.75, 4 inches height. So you see there are different thickness for the material, because usually if we will give the same thickness of the material, you are going to lose out space on the countertop. So the rule of thumb is like, even if the countertop is 3 centimeters, your backsplash is always be 2 centimeters. All right, let's give a little bit of character to this one. Usually when the stone is there, you always have like a radius edge in the front. So let's fill it up with radius. So F, enter, we'll give radius, enter, and we give radius as 0.1258 of an inch radius. So fill here, that's your top edge. We're going to do the same thing over here. Fill it. That's how it's going to look like. And let's make the block out of this one. Select both the objects, insert, create block, and we'll name it like stone C top section. Okay, let's go edit this block and make this block as dynamic block. As usual, we'll give you 2 actions over here. It's going to be 2 parameters and 2 actions for this particular tutorial. Oops. F8 to make perpendicular active. Distance up. And give height backsplash. For this one, you don't need to give another parameter for the thickness of the material, because it's a stone, so it's always in stone. So depth and BSPH. Enter. So now you should be knowing what we are going to do is we are going to select this, right click, action selection set, new selection set, make a marquee, oops, new action set, and then we'll select everything in that box. Enter. We'll do the same thing for the backsplash, new selection set, select everything in that box, enter, save this, and voila, you're done. It's a piece of cake. Okay, and then we can readjust it as 25 inches deep and 6 inches height. That's what it is. Hope you like it. If you like it, please give thumbs up. Thank you for watching.